Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
To see your digital speedometer on a 2019 Toyota Highlander, you must use the multi-information display. This screen is located right in the center of your instrument cluster. Many drivers prefer this view because it is easy to read at a glance. First, sit in the driver's seat and turn your vehicle on. Look at the right side of your steering wheel. You will see a set of directional arrows and a center button. These buttons control the small screen behind the wheel. Use the left or right arrow keys to scroll through the top menu icons. You are looking for the icon that looks like a small lowercase letter I. This stands for information. Once you highlight the information icon, you need to use the up or down arrows. Press these buttons until you see the digital speed readout appear on the screen. It will show your current speed in large numbers. If you see other information like fuel economy or distance to empty, just keep scrolling down. The digital speedometer is usually the first or second option in this menu. If the speed is showing in kilometers instead of miles, you can change it in the settings. Go to the gear icon menu using the same side arrows. Select the meter settings and find the units option. Switch it to miles per hour for driving in the United States. Now your digital speedometer is ready to use every time you drive. This feature helps you stay safe and aware of your exact speed on the road. It is a very helpful tool for any Highlander owner today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.